I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. Today we will see the problems on Jn of x. We know that what is the expression for Jn of x. In the last session we have seen that. Now using that expression of Jn of x, we are going to find what is the value of j 1 by 2 of x and j minus 1 by 2 of x. Right. Prove that j 1 by 2 of x equal to square root of 2 divided by pi x into sin x. J minus 1 by 2 of x equal to square root of 2 divided by pi x into cos x. We know that by definition Jn of x equal to summation of r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power r x by 2 whole power n plus 2 r 1 divided by gamma of n plus r plus 1 into r factorial. We know that this is the expression for Jn of x. In this expression, I am treating as this expression as equation 1. In this expression, I am putting n equal to 1 by 2. We will give n equal to 1 by 2, summation of r equal to 0 to infinity, n equal to 1 by 2 as substituted, summation of r equal to 0 to infinity, minus 1 power r into x by 2 whole power 1 by 2 plus 2r, 1 divided by gamma of r plus 3 by 2. That means n plus 1 by 2 I put 1 by 2 plus 1. Put that 1 by 2 plus 1 should be 3 by 2. Gamma of r plus 3 by 2 into r factorial. Now I will write, see, x by 2 whole power 1 by 2 plus 2r only. This x by 2 whole power 1 by 2 I am writing square root of x by 2, summation of r equal to 0 to infinity, minus 1 power r x by 2 whole power 2r 1 divided by gamma of r plus 3 by 2 into r factorial. Now what I am going to do here, j 1 by 2 of x equal to root of x by 2 I kept here, r equal to 0 I will give. If you will give r equal to 0, anything power 0 is 1. And if r equal to 0, anything power 0 is 1. 1 divided by r equal to 0 is gamma of 3 by 2 into what is the 0 factorial is 1. 1 divided by gamma of 3 by 2. Next, r equal to 1 I will give. If I will give r equal to 1, minus 1 power 1 is minus 1. That minus only here. X by 2 whole power 2r is there. R equal to 1, if you will give 2 into 1 should be 2, x by 2 whole square. Here r equal to 2 means x by 2, r equal to 1 means x by 2 whole square, 1 divided by r equal to 1 means 1 plus 3 by 2 is 5 by 2, gamma of 5 by 2 factorial, plus next r equal to 2 you will give. If you will give r equal to 2, minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. That only this here I have written plus 1. X by 2, r equal to c, r equal to 2 means x 2 into 2 should be 4. X by 2 whole power 4. 1 divided by r equal to 2 means 2 plus 3 by 2 is 7 by 2, gamma of 7 by 2, r equal to means here 2 factorial, and plus and so on. This one I am treating as equation 2. We know that already we have been studied that the values of gamma of 1 by 2 is root pi. In beta gamma functions already you studied that gamma of 1 by 2 value should be root pi, and you know that another formula, gamma of n equal to n minus 1 into gamma of n minus 1. Or another formula is also there, gamma of n plus 1 equal to n into gamma n. Both should be same. Putting n equal to 3 by 2, we have to find here the values. What are that? Gamma of 3 by 2, gamma of 5 by 2, gamma of 7 by 2 values we have to find. That's why I am substituting in this formula. Just if I substitute in this formula, I will get gamma of 3 by 2, n equal to 3 by 2. If you give in this one, you will get 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2. But that gamma of 1 by 2 value should be root pi by 2 will get. That means overall gamma of 3 by 2 value should be root pi by 2. Similarly, gamma of 5 by 2 will find. Gamma of 5 by 2 minus 1 is 3 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into gamma of 3 by 2. Already we know that gamma of 3 by 2 should be root pi by 2. 3 by 2 into root pi by 2 is 3 root pi divided by 4. Similarly, if you simplify, gamma of 7 by 2 is nothing but 7 by 2. Means here 7 by 2 minus 1 is nothing but 5 by 2. 7 by 2 minus 1 is 5 by 2. Phi by 2 into gamma of phi by 2. Phi by 2 I'll keep as it is. Already gamma of phi by 2 I found out here. 3 root pi by 4. Here 5 into 3 is 15 root pi divided by 8. Now substituting these values in the RHS of equation 2, just I am going to substitute here. I'll get, so j1 by 2 root of x by 2, 1 divided by gamma of 3 by 2 should be 2 divided by root pi. Here x square by 4, gamma of 5 by 2. What is that? This is 1 factorial actually, not gamma of 5 by 2 factorial. Gamma of 5 by 2 into 1 factorial. Here, what is that? Gamma of 5 by 2 is 3 root pi by 4. If you write reciprocal, 4 divided by 3 root pi you will get. Then x power 4 divided by 16. Gamma of 7 by 2 is nothing but, we know that 15 root pi divided by 8 or 8 divided by 15 root pi into 2. Now, if you will take, say, root x by 2 is there, I am taking 1 by root pi outside. If you take 1 by root pi outside, square root of x divided by 2 pi, 2 minus x square by, if you will take root pi outside, so you will get this 4 get cancelled, x square by 3, root pi already I took outside. Here say 16 is there, so 8 ones are, 8 twos are. Here already 1 2 is there, 2 into 2 should be 4. 4 into 15 should be 60. X power 4 divided by 60 minus and so on, keep on going on. Right. Now I'll write square root of x divided by 2 pi. Now one more 2 by x I am taking outside. If you take 2 by x outside, here x will come. X cube by 6 will come. Because 2 by x I took outside, x cube by 6 you will get. Plus x power 5 by 120. Why you are taking that 2 by x common here means we have to get the result in the form of what is that sin x format. So if you want to get that sin x format, and see here at the same time, here you have to get square root of 2 by pi x you have to get. That's the way, just if you will take here 2 by x outside only, you will get in that format. That's only I am taking outside 2 by x. And if you will write this one, if you will take, this one is in the form of general format of sin x. To bring that one general format of sin x, we took 2 by x outside, right? So j1 by 2 of x equal to square root of 2 divided by pi x, x minus x cube by 6, 6 is nothing but 3 factorial, plus x power 5 by 5 factorial is 120 minus and so on. Now you will write j1 by 2 of x equal to square root of 2 divided by pi x into sin x. In the same way, we are going to see j minus 1 by 2 of x. So, in j minus 1 by 2 of x, to see that one, we know that already formula jn of x. The jn of x, already we know that here, jn of x, what is that, this one. In that one, I am going to substitute n equal to minus 1 by 2. If you substitute n equal to minus 1 by 2, j minus 1 by 2 of x equal to summation of r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power r, x by 2 whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 2r, 1 divided by gamma of r plus 1 by 2 r factorial. We'll substitute minus 1 by 2, we'll get actually gamma of n plus r. N is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 should be 1 by 2 into r factorial I'll get. Now I'll take x by 2 whole power minus 1 by 2 if I'll take outside. I'll get summation of r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power r, x by 2 whole power 2r, 1 divided by gamma of r plus 1 by 2 into r factorial. Now I will give r equal to 0 first. If I will give r equal to 0, minus 1 power 0, x by 2 whole power 0 is 1. Next 1 divided by r is 0 means gamma of 1 by 2. 0 factorial is also 1. 1 divided by gamma of 1 by 2. Next r equal to 1 if you will give, minus 1 power 1 should be minus 1 only, minus 1. R equal to 1 means x by 2 whole square. 1 divided by r equal to 1 means 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2, gamma of 3 by 2 factorial into 1 factorial, see here, gamma of 3 by 2, r factorial is 1 factorial, that is 1 only, plus here r equal to 2 if you will give, x by 2, 2 into 2 should be 4, x by 2 whole power 4, 1 divided by r equal to 2 means 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 5 by 2 into r is nothing but 2 factorial. So, if we'll simplify this, already I told that gamma of 3 by 2, gamma of 5 by 2 values, already we simplified here. But that gamma of 3 by 2 value should be root pi by 2. What is gamma of 5 by 2 is 3 into root pi by 4. I am going to substitute here. See, I will substitute here. If you substitute, you will get j minus 1 by 2 of x equal to root of square root of 2 by x 1 by root pi x square by 4. Gamma of 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 by root pi plus x power 4 by 16. Gamma of 5 by 2 is nothing but, if you will write in reciprocal, you will get 4 divided by 3 root pi into 2 factorial is 2. Now, in this one, see, I'll take only root pi outside. If you take only root pi outside, square root of 2 divided by pi x, 1 minus x square by 4. 4 I am writing as, see here, this 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Remaining 2, that one I am writing 2 factorial plus 4 ones are, 4 fours are. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 2 should be 24. 24 I am writing as 4 factorial minus and so on. Now I can write square root of 2 divided by pi x. This one 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x power by 4 by 4 factorial minus and so on. I will write it as cos x. That's all. This is the results of j1 by 2 and j minus 1 by 2